and Daddy are going to eat the candy, mostly to Mama. Daddy is a workaholic like his mother.
You want to tell Grandma something? You want to say something to Grandma? Say potatoes! Potatoes, Grandma! Okay, say something funny to him again, Mom.
Okay, well, are you talking about mashed potatoes? Huh?
Mashed potatoes?
Huh?
Okay, let go of the phone. Grandma!
Grandma, yeah, it's Grandma. Yeah, it's Grandma. Yeah, Grandma. Can you say Grandma? Well, when you can say Grandma, you can say anything.
Yeah.
Is he spitting?
No, he's rolling a toy.
Oh, okay. So you can talk to Grandma. I can't wait until you can. Ooh, that's going to be fun. We're going to have quite the conversation.